1, 2, 1, 2. Olá, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pessoal. Olá, pessoal. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Eu tô falando em 3 centímetros aqui, tá? Tô em frequência 10.489.690. Se você dividir pela velocidade da luz, por essa frequência, você vai achar aonde eu estou. Eu vou chamar geral aqui e ver se alguém me atende, tá? Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Hello, CQ Satellite, CQ Satellite, CQ QO-100. This is a Papa Yankee 1. America X-ray. Papa Yankee 1. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. I'm drifting a little bit, but I'm calling the X. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. CQDX, CQ Delta X-ray. CQ Satellite, CQ QO-100. This is a Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. For any call. Testing, testing. Calling the X. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Calling the X and standing by. Vamos ver se vem alguém. Veio ninguém. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQ. Hello, CQ, CQDX, CQ Delta X-ray, CQ. A Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Meu sinal é 58, tá vendo? Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Hello, CQ, CQ, CQDX. A Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Papa Yellow 1, Alpha X-ray. Calling in general on frequency. Hello, CQ Satellite. Hello, QO-100. S-Rail Satellite, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, calling for any call. QRZ, over. The station Echo Lima Foxtrot. Please come again, Echo Lima Fox only. Roger, Roger, many thanks. The station Italy Whiskey Zero, Echo Lima Fox. This is a Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Many thanks for coming back to my call. My name is Tony. Tango Oscar November Yankee. Tony is my name. And the QTH is 100 kilometers north of the Rio de Janeiro. Your signal report is a 59 plus, 59 plus. My grid located is Golf 87 Quebec Bravo. Germany 87 Quebec Bravo. Okay, back to you. Italy Whiskey Zero, Echo Lima Fox. From Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Listen to you. Over, over. Okay, Michele. 100% copy, my friend. Thank you very much for the information. Juliet, November 61, Golf Whiskey. Ok, Michele. Ok, no parlo muy bien italiano, pero que compreendo italiano, muy parecido con portugués. Ok, Michele. Grazie por el contacto. Estoy con 1 watt, ok, only 1 watt. The antenna is 80 centimeters of center dish. I'm using SDR RTL DS SDR console. This is my working condition. Okay, my friend Michel. So the microphone back to you. Italy Whiskey Zero, Echo Lima Fox, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Okay, 73, Mikhail. Many thanks for the contact. Good luck DX for you, my friend. QRZ, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, South America, Brazil, calling and standing by. Vou chamar de novo. Roger, Roger, QSL. Golf Whiskey 8, Tango India X-ray, from Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Thank you very much for coming back to my call. Yeah, my name is Tony. How are you doing? How are you? I think it's all okay, yeah? Tell me the news, huh? Here is all old news. Not too bad. Not too bad. Your signal is strong, always is strong. 5.9 plus. 1 watt, 80 centimeters antenna off center dish. Helix, 3 rings and a half. That's my working condition. Golf, 87 Quebec Bravo. Microphone back to you. Golf Whiskey 8, Tango India X-ray from PY1AX. Go ahead.
MUITO, obrigado for coming back to the call. I think you have my name. My name is Gerald Golf Echo Radio, Alpha Lima Delta. My location, I'm near to the capital city of Cardiff in South Wales. The QRA locator, Italy Oscar 81 Italy Radio. Italy Oscar 81 Italy Radio. And you'll report your 57 to 58. 15 to 58 with me, Tony. Go ahead.
Roger. Gerard, 1 second, I put on frequency. 1, 2. Okay, I think now I'm better. Okay, very good, Gerard. Your memory is better than my memory. Okay, your computer. I know, but yeah, my computer is turned off now. I'm put on the paper, and I will upload it today. Okay, for the LEOTW and all those stuffs. Okay, Gerard, today is 35 degrees Celsius. Very, very hot here in Rio de Janeiro. Okay, the temperature is 35 degrees Celsius, and astonished day, beautiful sunshine, and like a Wales day. Okay, my friend from Wales, very, very happy to have you on the contact today. Okay, Gerard, all the best, my friend. Happy New Year to you, and God bless, my friend, and hope to catch you again. Golf Whiskey 8, Tango India X-ray from Wales, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, South America, Brazil. Go ahead.
Okay, Tony, fine and great on the weather. Rather cool this end. It's bright sunny day, a nice day, but 12 degrees.
12 graus.
We've had some very cold weather the last couple of weeks, but it looks as though we're going into springtime now. So 12 degrees plus today and a bright sunny day. Okay, Tony, all the very best. Thank you very much for the LOTW confirmations, and I will upload later on this evening to confirm this contact. Take care. MUITO, obrigado. Forward tardy from South Wales, and I look forward to meeting you again on the satellite. Papa Yankee 1, Alpha X-ray, Germany Whiskey 8, Tokyo, Italy X-ray, now off and clear. Good luck, Tony, 7-3.
Okay, Gerard. Congratulations for your Portuguese. It's great. You speak great, my friend. Many thanks. No accent, like a Brazilian guy. Ok, obrigado. 73 para você. 73. Ok, muito obrigado. Até uma próxima. See you again. Ok, and I will upload as well. 73, Gerard. Many, very happy to have this contact with you, short contact. Golf Whiskey, Tango India X-ray from Papa Yellow 1, America X-ray. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tony. Always a great pleasure to hear you. Take care, 7-3.
73, thank you for the information on the weather. Bye-bye. QRZ, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray for one more call. Roger, Sugar Papa 4 Radio, Yankee 1, America X-ray, listen to you, go ahead.
Very good, bom dia, Tony, obrigado, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray, Sugar Papa 4 Radio, thank you very much, and very good evening and good morning from Poland to the Brazil. Brazil. You are 5 and 9, 59 night signal. Name is Andy Alpha November Delta Yankee, America Norway Denmark Yokohama, and the locator is Kilo Oscar 13 November America. Kilo Oscar 13 Norway America. And you 5 and 9 via the satellite. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, Sugar Papa 4 radio, over.
Roger, Roger. Sugar Papa 4 radio, Andy. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Many thanks, Andy, for your information. Kilo Oscar 13 November Alpha, your grid location, 100% copy. No problem. My family came from Bijesnat Bugin. They have a business in Warsaw. Okay, Andy. They came on the Second World War. Okay, to Brazil and the United States. It's a big pleasure talking to you, Andy. Many thanks for the contact. You make me remind my parents. Okay, they are already gone, but you make me remind them. Thank you for the nice signal report. I'm only 1 watt into 80 centimeters antenna dish. But I have a project, new project, to build in one antenna helix to point it directly to the satellite. I will check if it is gonna be better. Okay, I need bigger signal to fight on the pilots. Here on the satellite, the pilots is so strong, and I'm losing a lot of new one. Okay, Atino. I was working Bovet Island. Okay, on CW, 70 meters band. Okay, I'm working Bovet Island. Very happy for that. Is all-time new one. 73, Andy. Many thanks for this contact with you. Have a nice evening. Hope to catch you again. Sugar Papa 4, radio. If you listen to me, please say hello. Papa Yankee 1, America X. Go ahead, Andy.
Very good, Johnny. Thank you very much. Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, Sugar Papa 4 radio. Thanks a lot for the nice report.
E deu play aí. Roger, Roger, Andy. Let me put on the frequency. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Here. Okay, Andy. Many pleasure to meet you, okay? I will upload it today for the LOTW and the QRZ and AEQSL, Club Law, all those stuffs. Okay? Do you have a confirmation for this contact for sure? Many thanks for the contact, my friend. See you again. Huh? Take care. Good luck, DX. Your signal is great on the satellite. 5.9 plus, okay, plus 5, plus 10, but it's a very good audio and it's very, very legible. 73, Sugar Papa 4 radio from Papa Yellow 1, America X-ray. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. For last call from Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Is any more station wants to work in South America, Brazil, or will be off? Beleza. Okay, no problem. Copy good. Okay, Delta Hotel 5 Radio Alpha Delta, Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray returning. Many thanks for calling. Okay, this is my last call. Okay, you're lucky. Okay, my grid locator. Golf 87 Quebec Bravo. Germany 87 Quebec Bravo. It's only me on this grid locator here in South America and Brazil. Only me on this grid locator. No more stations working on the QO-100 on this grid locator. I hope that people coming. I hope. Okay, Golf 87 Quebec Bravo for you. 59 plus your report. My name is Tony Tango Oscar November Yankee. I'm working with only 1 watt and my antenna is 80 centimeters this with a helix and a point, 3 rings and a half. To receive, I'm using LNB with normal TV cable with PLL established, and coming to my RTL SDR console. This is my working condition. So back to you, Delta Hotel 5, Romeo Alpha Delta, from Papa Yellow 1, Alpha X. Tell me the news.
Okay, Papa Yankee 1 X-ray, this is Delta Hotel 5, Radio Alpha Delta back. Hey Danny, your signal here is a little small on my dish. This problem is by my side. It's what knows 100% position to the satellite. But I understand you is no problem here. You want to send copy. Your signal here 8x5, and my grid locator review is at Nancy 68 Hotel Whiskey near the Bavarian Forest in southwest Germany. My conditions here that are working here is a 1 meter dish, cut line with 3 5 wheels turns, and my transceiver is a Bluetooth with a SQ Lab preamplifier and a 20 watt
PMP.
on the side. Right side is with an external frequency stabilization on the Leo partner, and the complete system is remoted with LAN cable 10 meter behind the house.
Yeah.
Okay, Mike, back to you. P Yankee 1 X-ray. This was Delta Hotel 5 Radio Alpha Delta. Go ahead.
Okay, Delta Hotel 5, Romeo Alpha Delta. Please complete my call. Is a Papa Yankee 1 Alpha X-ray, okay? America X-ray. This is my my call. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray, okay? 100% copy your grid location and your working condition, remote, and your Adam Pluto and your power. Very good. Your 1 meter antenna dish, great one. Okay, very, very good. You are working your station, putting a big signal here, 9 plus 10 dBs, no problem to hear you. Okay, you look to have this signal to work on the pipes here. Okay, this is my last call. Many thanks for the content. I have to turn off my station. And many thanks for the QO. A good look at the X. Today is a light day, still light day. Very clear, and temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. It's a summer day. 73, good look at the X. Hope to catch you again. Okay, my friend. Dankeschön. Delta Hotel 5, Romeo Alpha Delta, Papa Yankee 1, America X-ray. Paka, paka.
Copy. I have your call sign Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray. Sorry. And please excuse me for English. I'm working on a language. I hope the next day was better. Thank you for this contact to Brazil, and have a nice day to you and your family, and I hope on the next time here we on the satellite. Bye-bye and cheerio.
Okay, cheerio, cheerio. Bye-bye. Thank you. Papa Yankee 1 America X-ray, now QRT. Pessoal me chamando, mas eu não vou atender mais.